If I knew then what I know now, would've stood my ground. Would've put my phone down, stay heading homeward bound. Yeah, it's early in the morning, but I've never seen the stars this bright. Sometimes I feel like a failure, feel like a mess, but I know I've been trying my best. I guess that's one way to hold my head up high. Whoa, can't forget to take a breath, for there's nothing else left to breathe. Whoa, go on and clear that mess that's in my head, and I'll see. Whoa, take me, turn me into something new. Whoa, I'll never take for granted all that I've been through. Ooh. When I look back, it's clear life is full of tests. I'll try to do my best while having no regrets. But there's times we're gonna take the hits, but boy, you better keep going. And I can't just say it, I gotta mean it, 'cause actions are louder than speaking. There's so much room to improve, I'm seeing. Whoa, can't forget to take a breath, for there's nothing else left to breathe. Whoa, go on and clear that mess that's in my head, and I'll see. Whoa, take me, turn me into something new. Whoa, I'll never take for granted all that I've been